morning we're heading to an open house at Science of Speed. So the last time we were at Science of Speed was in October for the NSXs event, and the crowd is definitely different today. We have a little more variety in the cars, and the weather is better. Last time we were here, it rained. Man, now I wish I had my yellow Rio Yellow S2000 to go with this lineup. It's my buddy Isaac's S2000. You'll remember him. He's one of the guys who recently worked on my Legend that I got painted. So I'll tell you more about that car here in another video, but this is a super clean S2K. Alright guys, behind me is what you might think is a pretty stereotypical early 90s NSX, but this car has a cool backstory and I'm about to show you why. Here's the moneymaker right here, this shot. I gotta show you the odometer. This car has 415,000 miles. And I'm shocked at that because it's an NSX, but this guy won an award from Science of Speed in October for having one of the most original and preserved cars despite its high mileage. So look at the condition. It's a little bit on the paint there, but honestly for the mileage, you would never know any different. Interestingly enough, this is the exact same year and color combo as mine. So there were exactly 421 of these in 1992 in Formula Red with black interior and the 5-speed manual. I'm gonna take a quick peek under the hood. So Sean, my friend here, has had this car since for about 17 or 18 years. It had about 70,000 miles when he got it, and it's been his tried and true daily driver ever since. He says he would not hesitate to take it anywhere, but it's a pretty stock looking 3-point, is it 3.0 in these? Yeah. What have you had to do to it mechanically, Sean? Primarily just routine maintenance?
I'm religious about the routine maintenance. I'm here, I'm lucky enough to live about 15 minutes away from this place. So I'm on point when it comes to every service interval.
Yep.
Taking care of the engine like almost.
That's awesome. Yeah, he's been a regular at Science of Speed for a long time now, and they have this thing fully sorted out from front to back. So there you have it. I'm gonna have him probably fire this thing up just so we can verify he didn't trailer it here and you know, fake us all out. But it's a reliable car, and this is a perfect example of why. All right, he's gonna prove it actually runs. It's got an aftermarket exhaust on there for sure, but it sounds healthy. There you guys have it, the 415,000 mile NSX. My mind is blown. I love it in so many different ways. Maybe I'll see if he'll trade me. Sean says he's going to be hitting the big long-awaited 500K within 5 or 6 years, and I hope to be there for the party so I can welcome him to the club. Here's another record holder right here. So I just got the owner story on this. It is indeed a 2001 Spa Yellow with original owner, 350,000 miles, and it is been through a lot, but still a reliable car as ever.
So which seat gets the most use?
Yeah. Did you keep any of the original
So I've got the original seats at home.
Pretty awesome. See these cars keep going and going and going. This car should be familiar to many of you. This is driven by none other than Richard and Liz from Tennessee, Lap of the World, the YouTube channel if you haven't seen them. Another high miler, check that out, 314 on this one. And those aren't 314,000 Sunday church driven miles, that is track miles, and you can tell from the look of all these track outlines on the back window glass. Pretty awesome. Hey Chris, there's a celebrity if I've ever seen one.